The next slide is objective of the project. In that, first is the study of a linear power supply 5 volt 1 ampere. So we have designed 5 volt 1 ampere power supply. For that, the required components are a transformer, rectifier, regulator IC, then filter and a load. In our case, load is our project. So first is a transformer. Transformer is basically used to step up or step down input AC voltage level. So we want to design for 5 volt. So 5 volt output voltage. So we have used center tap step down transformer to decrease the input AC voltage into a 5 volt DC voltage. So output of the transformer is not a pure DC. It's the still AC components are there present there. So to remove AC components, we have used rectifier circuit. Rectifier is basically used to convert AC sine wave into a pulsating DC wave. So we have used bridge rectifier. So why we use bridge rectifier? Because voltage drop of a bridge rectifier is smaller than that of a full wave rectifier. So we have used bridge rectifier circuit in our case. The output of the bridge rectifier is still not a pure DC, it's a pulsating DC. So we have used a filter capacitor. So we have used electrolytic filter capacitor that passes DC and removes AC components. The output of the capacitor is a ripple voltage. The more the value of the capacitor, smaller the value of the ripples. So after the capacitor, we have used our regulator IC. So we want the output of the power supply that we want is a 5 volt. So we have selected the LM7805 regulator IC to regulate the regulate the output voltage to a 5 volt. We have used two LEDs to check whether our power supply is working properly or not. And after the regulator IC, we have used one bypass capacitor, that is decoupling capacitor, which is used for removing transient responses or removing any noise that is generated by the LM7805 regulator IC. So this is all about the design of a linear power supply.